to Red Ted Art. Today we have some paper butterflies. I'm really looking forward to spring and I think these butterflies are super simple, super easy to make, and you can keep them plain, you can hang them, you can put them on a butterfly wall, you can decorate them with paper and pens, and it's lots of different ways that you're able to customize these for just what you need. Anyway, let's take a look and see how they're made. To make these butterflies, it's really very simple. You need 2 square pieces of paper. These are 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. A longer piece of black paper, so roughly 1 centimeter by 14 centimeters, and a nice thin strip of paper for the antennae later. So first we'll do some basic origami. Turn it round so you've got a diamond. Bring the bottom up. Make a neat crease. Now you've got a triangle. Bring this corner up to the top. And repeat for the other side. Make a nice neat crease. That's simple so far. Now this might remind you of our corner bookmarks, but this is not a corner bookmark. We will now do the next step for the butterfly, which is bringing this flap and aligning this line with this line. So we're going to bring it down and align it. Try and get the point at the bottom. And then flatten. So again, this line aligned here. There we go. Your first butterfly wing is finished. So you need 2 of these, which I'm going to now do very quickly, and then we're going to assemble a butterfly. We have our 2 butterfly wings. Now we need our body. So I'm going to take my strip of card, fold it in half, shape it a little bit. Maybe put those there. Just so you've got a nice rounded edge, but it can be straight too. It's just a question of preference. It's not really, doesn't have to be super exact. Looks okay. And fold your strip of paper. So this is going to be about 12 centimeters. So I've folded it, and you can use your scissors very carefully to give it a little curl, but you can leave it straight as well. Okay, your basic parts are all together. Now we just need to glue it all in one place. Take a little bit of glue here. I also like to add glue to all of my body. And then I add a little bit of glue here. So the key is basically to have enough glue so it doesn't come apart. Position it in the middle. And the same here. Now if you want to hang your butterflies, you can also add a string, and you will glue that into place too. So I would now add the string here, just right through the center. And then when you finish off with your last piece, you can basically glue the string into place as well. But I'm just going to have them the way they are. And then with a little bit of blue tack or something similar, you can then glue them onto your butterfly wall. Push it down. And your basic paper butterfly is finished. Now the great thing about these butterflies is, if you want to, you can now get some little googly eyes and add them to your butterfly. You can add, use pens or coloured paper to add decorations to your butterfly wings. You can use like a silver or metallic pen to add details to the body. So really, this is your basic paper butterfly, but you can turn it into something completely different and unique and amazing. And yeah, that's it. So do check out the other paper butterflies here on Red Thread Art. I've linked them in the iCards and down below. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'll see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.